in their confidence. On this stage, without you, the journey of shaping young minds would not be possible. I extend my gratitude to our chief guests for sparing their valuable time and motivating our students with their presence. My special thanks to all my teachers who work hard day and night. The training students, organizing events, managing costumes, music and discipline. Thank you teachers. Your dedication behind the stage is the real reason for the shine on the stage. I really appreciate our non-teaching staff for their silent but strong support in the arrangement, seating, decoration and overall management. At the end, I really thankful to Muktai Tent House and Sound System. Thankful to you for the Sheetal photography. I really thankful to Om Sai event for they are doing a very nicely stage decoration. I again thankful to our Dhamangabade Urban Cooperative Bank as well as the all member staff, and again thankful to all the Darshan group who are really cooperators, supporters. Once again, thank you all dear parents and everyone present here for being part of our Lakshmi Bai Vidya Mandir and family. Your presence means a lot of to us. Thank you all. Have a safe journey at home.
थँक्यू मॅम. आजचा प्रयाणम संस्कृती सोहळा आनंदात व उत्साहात यशस्वीपणे पार पडल्यामुळे उद्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या शाळेला सुट्टी आहे. तसेच 26 जानेवारी भारतीय प्रजासत्ताक दिनाचा कार्यक्रम स्कूलमध्ये सकाळी 8 वाजता राहील याची सर्वांनी नोंद घ्यावी. यानंतर अवघ्या 2 मिनिटांच्या एन्जॉयमेंट नंतर आजचा हा प्रयाणम संस्कृती उत्सव 2026 इथे समाप्त होईल असे मी LVM परिवाराकडून जाहीर करते. स्टार्ट म्युझिक.